Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up voicemail on AT&T home phone. First, pick up your phone and dial *98. That is *98. This will connect you to the voicemail setup system. You will now hear a voice prompt guiding you through the process. The first step is to create your personal PIN. Enter a PIN that is between 6 and 10 digits. Choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. After entering your PIN, press the pound key. Next, you will be asked to set up an authentication code. This code is 8 digits long and will be used if you ever need to reset your PIN. Carefully enter your chosen 8-digit number, then follow the instructions to confirm it. After that, you will be asked to record your name. When you hear the tone, clearly say your name. When you are done, press the pound key. You can press 1 to save your recording or follow the prompts to record it again if needed. Now it is time to set your greeting. You can record a personal message or choose a system-generated greeting. Follow the voice instructions, speak after the tone, and press pound when finished. Save your greeting when you are satisfied. Your voicemail is now set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.